Is it easy to come across that ammo?
I don't know nowadays.
That's so cool. Hip fire. Do a hip fire, Dad.
I think that was it, wasn't it?
That was 5.
Go for it again.
That's
Yeah.
it. Got some kick to it, so.
Don't hip fire. Brandon, you might want to lean.
I feel like I'm shooting a musket.
You're like sitting there.
Oh, it's got some kick. It's gonna make your arm sore.
I feel like I'm shooting a musket. I'm kind of
I
scared.
wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that thing.
Oh, safety's on.
Safe.
Oh, that's got a kick.
I
Come
know.
on, cock it back. You didn't hit it. Top and lower.
Oh my god.
You don't
damn.
have to bring it up to cock it. Just cock it as you're standing there.
That's-
Just cock it as you stand. Go ahead. There you go.
Nah, that wasn't cool.
Why?
Up.
Is there more?
Shoot. Make
I
sure
don't
it's
know.
empty.
Make sure, shoot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Have
recording
a strong stance. It feels like somebody shoulder checks you really, really hard.
Get it into your shoulder.
That's a.
Oh, fuck.
He's like, the pain!
I got a really bad shoulder. That's probably not a good idea.
Just keep going, boy.
Do this.
Do a hip fire.
Oh,
hip
shit.
fire
Hip
feels
fire.
cool.
Oh, you hit it.
There you go.
I got really scared on the
I
fifth
forgot
one.
about your shoulder. I thought it was your other shoulder.
That's-
Oh. Yeah, he does the splits, fires off.
I'm so used to like a scope on this
It has a hard kick, Eric.
You just point that thing, you have to aim it.
You don't even have to aim it. You just point at it.
There you go.
Oh, do 2 at the hip. Do the hip.
Oh, fuck my finger.
More.
I didn't even hit it once.